Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect AliExpress on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Shopify, click the Start Free Trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, connecting AliExpress on Shopify offers several advantages for e-commerce store owners because number one, it automates the order fulfillment processes, allowing it to fulfill multiple orders on AliExpress with just a few clicks. Of course, this saves time compared to manually placing each order. You can fulfill multiple Shopify orders simultaneously, streamlining the process for stores with high order volumes. Now, how do we do it? All we have to do is go to the Add Apps section here, and I need you to search for the AliExpress. If you can't find it, click on the Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store, and you would be forwarded to a new page. And all I have to do is click on the and there you go. Click on this one right here. Now, all I have to do is click on install. All right. Now, once you're happy with that, I need you to click on the install button here. Just wait for it to load because it will auto-populate, and here you can create an account for yourself or you can register. All right. Well, let's do that right now and just wait and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the thing is, you would be forwarded to another page. Just click on the basic free and get started. And of course, you need to log into your AliExpress account, all right? Now, from here, there's a lot that we can do because by automating order processing and reducing manual labor, this plugin can help reduce operational costs associated with order fulfillment. And that's basically how you connect your AliExpress to Shopify. Now let's click on the options that we can do here. As you can see, you have a generous 14-day free trial. And once you're happy with it, now when you go again to the AliExpress automation platform, you can see that it is designed to handle large volumes of orders, and here it allows you to access a wide range of products and suppliers, expanding your product offerings without maintaining physical inventory. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.